So hi guys, welcome back to the Infra Code Labs. Today we are going to install a virtual machine and we are going to install a Ubuntu machine on a virtual machine. So basically it's kind of the hypervisor, type 2 hypervisor you can say. So it will install on your existing OS and you can use the multiple OS on it. So basically the VirtualBox comes from the Oracle and you can install it from the browser. So if you are curious about the Linux, if you are curious about the Ubuntu, if you are doing any projects, then Ubuntu is a must OS which can be used for your project. So let's go start. So firstly, we need to go into the browser. So I'm going to use the Edge browser, and here you just type the VirtualBox download. So here you can see the download option is here from the Oracle VirtualBox. Just click on downloads. Once you click on download, then it will go or it will redirect to the one page where we can install the virtual machine. So firstly we have the few options. So if you have any Linux distributions, if you have any Mac OS, or if you have any Solaris distribution, then you can use it. But I have the Windows OS, so basically they are asking like which is your base OS. Okay, maybe the confusion will becomes here. So basically they are asking which base OS you have. So I have the Windows 11, then I'll click on Windows. So once you click on Windows, then some exe file will be start, but I have already downloaded, then I'll just cancel it and I'm going to install from my downloaded file. So here you can see the VirtualBox, so I'll click on here. Once you hit this exe file, then the pop-up will come, so you just click on the next. Once you did that, then you should accept that term and condition. After that, just click on next, then just let it be and click on next. So here you can just click on yes, and next. Once you click on install, then it will install. It will take some time to install, but yeah. So now you can see our VirtualBox has been installed. So just click on finish, and once we click on finish, then it will start up one VirtualBox application or exe you can say. So let's wait and we'll see. So once you wait and you will see this kind of the application pop up, then we need to install one more thing, which is the Ubuntu OS. So let's go another tab in the Edge. So here you should type Ubuntu ISO file. So once you come here, then you will see the Ubuntu official document page. Just click on the download Ubuntu desktop and it will redirect to another page. So I had already downloaded, but I'm just showing love from where you can download the Ubuntu file. So here we are going to install the Ubuntu 26.4, which is the long-term support. So you can download it from here. So I'll click on download. Once you click on download, it will install a one ISO image. Just click on accept and just wait. I guess this should start. Yeah, you can see this is started, but I had already downloaded, but so I'm just going to cancel. So once you install the virtual VMware box, then this pop-up will come. So we are going to create a new OS. So just click on the new, then you will see this pop-up. So here you can just type your virtual box name. I'm just typing the Ubuntu. Then here you just select the VMware folder, so all data will be stored in this folder. So I'm just keeping as it is, and here the main thing comes. So here we need to choose the ISO image which we install or which we downloaded. So here I'm going to click on the others, then I'm going to click on the Ubuntu ISO. So once you did that, this pop-up will come and here you should do some settings. So firstly, you can see this I mark, it means something is lacking. So we can just click on this arrow and here you can see the password is empty. So we need to enter the password, or you can change the username and then you can give the password. So I'm going to change the username. So just make sure you don't type any capital letter. I'm just showing to you, if you type any capital letter, then this pop-up will come. It means this is not allowed. So I'm just using the small one. Then the tick will come. It means it is okay. So going to use the password. I'm keeping as it is avi. And once you did that, you can see just all things is ticked. It means the all is fine. So after that, you can just click on this, the virtual hardware. So here I'm going to give the 8 GB memory. So here I gave the 8.9 GB. It means you can say the 8 GB memory or 9 GB memory. After that, I'm going to give the few CPUs, I mean the 6 CPUs. So once I did that, then I click finish. So I have the 32 GB memory or RAM, you can say, and I have the 20 CPUs. So I'm just allocate the 6 CPUs to this virtual machine, I mean the Ubuntu machine, and I guess 9 GB RAM to the virtual machine. I'm so just clicking on finish. So once you did that, the one pop-up will come here. This is the pop-up from the VirtualBox. So actually this VM is powering up. So if you want to know the powering up, so here the one pop-up will come. As I said, it came. So here our VMware is powering up. So let's wait for to finish up this process. You can just close this pop-up. So once it's done, you can see this pop-up will come. So you can just click on view and adjust window size. So once you click on this, this will show the all pop-up. So here you can see the Ubuntu is installing the new features, and it will install the all drivers on your VirtualBox machine, and you are good to use. So that's it for today, guys. I'm going to add one more video for the Windows, and you can just see over there if you want to install the Windows servers. And that's it from my end. Do I one like and subscribe my channel. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.